नमस्कार, this is Ramesh Gujaria, IC Principal, BG Mehta Vidyalaya Jesar, at Taluka Jesar, District Bhavnagar. I have participated at district level toy fair. Now I am going to participate at state level toy fair. My toy name of the toy is Craft Flashcard. Section 4, subject number 2 and category 5. Do it yourself. This is my flashcard. Now I am trying to watch this my all flashcard. This is all my flashcard, and now I will try to explain you the process of making this flashcard. I have used a craft color paper, glue bottle, sketch pen, white lamination paper to make this toy. Cutting the craft color paper, I have made this card. I have drawn smiley with the sketch pen so that the students can enjoy and this all flashcard by playing. I have also laminated this all paper with the lamination paper, so while using these cards it has no damage. I have left a blank space inside this flashcard so we can write the glossary V1, V2 meaning and spelling and pronunciation inside of this paper. And this is the process of making craft flashcard. Now I will try you how it is useful in teaching learning process. By this craft making toy, anyone can get knowledge by playing. This is the one of the trial of filling the wide knowledge in small pot. These various flashcards are very useful to teach and learn a glossary for the standard 9 and 10. First of all, glossary is written and in flashcard and flash this card in front of the students, and we can say to find the spelling, pronunciation and their meaning. In this way, in grammar point, V1, V2 and V3 can be taught through this flashcard. In this way, we can use this old flashcard in multiple way, and by this flashcard we can make teaching and learning method very interesting, enjoyable. I have also written this script in English and in Gujarati language, and I also make a small video. This is my toy to use in teaching learning process. That's all. Thank you.